What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. It's gonna be a quick vlog today. We're gonna go to SUPERDRIVE and a little quick car meet in the morning. It's gonna be short. I haven't been posting for a minute because I don't know, I've been lazy. I've been doing a lot of life things, but your boy's back on the grind. You feel me? All right, this is what the whip looks like. There you go. Quick update on the car. Got a new bumper and then got a new lip. Looks way better. Yes, sir. She is ready. Oh shit, everyone's here. They've been waiting for me. next? You're next?
Look at the screen.
Chilling.
That's what I'm doing.
Alright, everyone. We are gonna leave now. Everyone's getting ready to go. Damn, everyone's moving out right now. And I think we're gonna get something to eat. This man's car is nice. Two gay boys. Kiss. Looking tasty. Alright, guys. We are done. Food was bomb, right?
This is alright, bro.
It was alright. It was mid. Okay.
That's just not seasoned, bro.
Alright, so we're gonna go home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching the vlog. I know it's been a minute. I'll be posting more soon. Yeah, so I'm actually on the PC right now, about to pull the trigger on buying a camera. I've been busy with other things, so hopefully I get to vlog a lot more. I appreciate everyone that watches my videos. It means a lot to me, and peace.